Good morning to all. Myself Randev Sonali from Brahmajyota Damani Polytechnic. Today I will give a lecture on development of lateral surfaces of prisms. So take one example. Draw the development of lateral surface of a pentagonal prism with edge of base 40 mm and height 90 mm kept on HP on its base with an edge of base parallel to VP when it is cut by an axis inclined 30 degree to HP and bisecting the axis of the prism. So first draw XY axis. The problem, it is given that the edge of base 40 mm. So take a distance 40 mm and draw one horizontal line. Now in the problem it is given that a pentagonal prism of 40 mm side. So take a distance 40 mm in the compass and draw a pentagon. We know that the internal angle of pentagon is 108 degree. So take a angle of 108 degree from the HP by using the protractor and draw one line which distance is 40 mm. Same, draw angle 108 degree and draw one inclined line. This is complete your pentagon and name its corners as A, B, C, D. Here A, B, C, D, E. Now project the front view and name the vertical edges. In the problem, it is given that the height is 90 mm kept on the HP. So take a distance 90 mm from the HP and join all these generator lines or projection lines, and also name here as E dash, D dash, A dash, C dash, and last is B dash. Same mark here like that: E dash, D dash, A dash, C dash, and last is B dash. In the problem, it is given that when it is cut by an axis inclined 30 degree to HP and bisecting the axis of the prism. So take a distance 45 mm from the HP and draw an angle of 30 degree to HP. With the help of protractor, we take angle 30 degree from HP and draw one inclined line which has 30 degree angle from the base or HP. This line is called as P. So name like that: P E dash. Here is P D dash. This point is P A dash. This point is P C dash, and last is P B dash. Now draw the DLS part. while drawing the DLS part, in case of pentagon, the distance pitch is equal to base into sides. So base means distance is given in the problem, means pentagonal base is 40 mm into sides means this is a pentagonal prism, so sides are 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 40 into 5 is equal to 200 mm. Pitch is equal to 200 mm. Now take distance 200 mm. And this pitch is divided into 5 equal parts because 5 is equal to sides, means pentagonal sides are 5, so divide this pitch into 5. This is equal to 40 mm. So take distance 40 mm and divide this complete pitch. And project these points. Now put point here as capital A, B, C, D, E, and last point is repeat A. Now transfer this all the points from front view to the DLS on the generator. So transfer this all the points with thin line. Now join all the intersection point. First is PE dash. Transfer this point up to E. Here is E. Next point is P D dash. Transfer this point up to D. Here is D. So this is D. Next point is P A dash. Transfer this point up to A. Here is A. So A, and last also here A. A. Next point is P C dash. Transfer this point up to C. Here is C. C. Last point is P B dash. Transfer this point up to B. Where is B? B is here. Now in case of prism, you join all the points by using straight line. So join A to B, next point B to C, next point C to D, next point D to E, and last point E to A. Now dark this line and base line.